Hey there, my name is Charm and welcome to English by Filipina podcast. Today, we are going to do another listening practice. The transcript and vocabulary are available in the description, but don't look there just yet. What I want you to do are, first, listen to the audio as many times as you can. Second, listen to the question. Third, write your answer in the comment section because that way you will be able to practice your comprehension and writing skills. At the same time, I can read them and give you feedback when it's necessary. Let's begin with the listening practice. Today's news is about China's high-speed trains in 2021. From zero high-speed railway in the early 21st century to having the most number of high-speed rail network in 2021, the sleeping giant has proven itself to be an awakened giant. With around 37,900 kilometers of lines in the country, with the top speed of 350 kilometers per hour, China's expansion of its high-speed rail network matches no other country's. China's high-speed train network is its symbol of economic power. With more than 9,600 high-speed trains per day, this mode of transportation is faster than Chinese domestic flights. The transactions are hassle-free and digitalized, providing passengers a smooth experience. China is one of the countries that innovated autonomous rail operations too. As their extension of railway continues to expand, one day Asia will be more accessible through the Silk Road and the world will be more connected than ever. Are you ready for the question? If not, feel free to replay the audio as many times as you can. But when you're ready, here is the question. What kind of experience can passengers get from riding China's high-speed trains? Again, what kind of experience can passengers get from riding China's high-speed trains? Did you get it? Take your time to write your answer in the comments. I would love to read them and give you feedback when necessary. I will move on though to the next part of the podcast. Let's discuss some of the vocabulary mentioned in the listening practice. This time, you can now check the description box for the transcript and the vocabulary. The example sentences are also written down there. So if you want to follow where I'm at, just feel free to check that. Or if you just want to listen, go ahead. Alright, let's start with the first vocabulary. Sleeping giant. Sleeping giant. So if you're still not aware, this used to be like the name of China in the past. This name was coined by Napoleon Bonaparte more than 200 years ago. And as we all know, China is a large country, but it was never seen as a threat by the powerful countries back then. We're now in the 21st century and China has awakened to a powerful country, and that is very evident. So next word is expansion. Expansion. It means to become larger. So its verb form is expand. Example is, the mall expansion will be delayed because of the strong typhoon that hit the city. Next word, domestic. Domestic. It means local. An example is, we should boost our local people's pride by supporting their local products. Do you guys like to support local products? Because I do. Alright, next word, hassle-free. Hassle-free. I love this vocabulary. It means having no problems or difficulty. Example is, I hope Mondays are always hassle-free, but that's not the reality. For most people, that's not the reality. Next word, digitalized. 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 So it came from the word digital. It means a format for computers, designed for computers. So example is, many companies are shifting from paperless system to digitalized system. And the best part of making things digitalized is that we're able to preserve our Mother Earth too. So I'm a big fan of digitalized services. Next, autonomous. Autonomous. It means independent. Example sentence, I'm not sure if I want to be a passenger of an autonomous driving car. I feel safer when there's an actual driver on the driver's seat. What about you? Are you skeptical or worried whether autonomous driving system is really safe? Write them down in the comments. Down to the next word, accessible. Accessible. An example is, living in the city can be expensive, but the location is accessible to many important places, such as hospitals, schools, shopping malls, among others. I've always lived in accessible places. As much as I'm more like a countryside person, most of my life I've lived in the city. So I can't deny the fact that city is really a convenient place to live because you can easily have access to many things. Alright, down to our last vocabulary. It's a little bit of history too. Silk Road. Silk Road. So, back in time, China traded goods with the Western world. Silk Road is an ancient trade route, and China's dream is to make it possible for the East to be connected to the West by building trains. And apparently, they're already building it. That's it. Good job, everybody. Don't forget to leave me a comment or give me some feedback on what you think of this episode, or if you have any requests for the coming episode, just let me know. Also, I apologize if this took some time to get published. Episode 1 had a really bad audio quality. I'm not sure how this will turn out, but I'm really trying my best. I'm not a tech savvy, I'm amateur, but I love creating these kind of things. So hopefully, I hope you look forward to the next episodes. Thank you so much for devoting your time to study English with me. Again, this has been Charm of English by Filipina. Until the next episode, goodbye!